guys, it's Gina. I haven't been on YouTube in a while, so I figured I would do a VIB Rouge haul from the sale. If I sound like I'm talking funny, it's because I just got Invisalign. Well, I didn't just get it, I got it like 3 weeks ago, so I'm still trying to get used to talking, so some of my words sound horrible. But hit that like button, subscribe, click the notification bell. You know the drill. So we're just gonna get straight into it. The first thing I got was this Benefit Contour Brow. This is what it looks like. It's in brown light because I may look like I'm a blonde, but I'm naturally brunette, so I got brown light. And I use the lighter shade right here, and it's literally like those like old pens you used to have when you were in school. If you hear screaming, my boyfriend's playing the new Battlefield beta, so there's that. If you also hear sounds like something like guns shooting off, it's because my house is by a gun range, so it's fine. So I got this. I also got 3 new beauty blenders, black, the sapphire one, and just the regular nude one. I got the beauty blenders because I had something on my face, like a little breakout, and the beauty blenders I used I threw out because I didn't know what I had on my face. I didn't know if it was like poison ivy that was on my legs. I didn't really want it to transfer, so I got 3 new beauty blenders for that. I also got another thing from Beauty Blender, is the Keep It Clean Cleansing Mitt for a fast and dip clean. I saw this, I thought it was cool. It's literally the egg shape. Comes with the cleaner, comes with the clean your brushes, and you can actually clean your beauty blenders like it says on the back. I'll be listing all the prices on the screen as well if you need them. Next thing I got was the Clarisonic Sensitive Brush Head for all skin types. This is a 2-pack. I have it. I have the Clarisonic, and I'm going to be using those I'm going to be using my brush head, and it says you're supposed to get rid of them every 3 months, and I kind of didn't do that, so I got 2, throw away my old one, and I got 2 backups, so that will be nice. I also got, let's see what we're going to do. We're going to do the IGK, the Mixed Feelings Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops. I got these because I am a blonde. I do tone my hair with regular toner, but this you're supposed to put in your leave-in conditioner. Like, you just put in a couple drops. I haven't even opened this. It comes out like that, like this little thing, and you just apparently put in a couple drops. Apply 1 to 4 drops depending on the level of toning you want. I looked at this, saw great reviews, and I was like, I need to try it because keeping your hair blonde and not getting brassy, especially when you're naturally brunette, so you have like red undertones, because that's what brown hair has, I guess. I don't know, I'm not a hairstylist, but my mom has a license and stuff, so that's what I'm going to take it as. If the lighting seems a little bit weird, I can't talk. I'm not in my bedroom because that's where my boyfriend is playing video games. I am literally in front of a window in the spare room in my house with natural lighting. And I'm thirsty. This water jug's the size of my head. Anyway, next thing I got is this is a Tarte skincare. This is the Tarte Drink H2O Hydrating Boost. I got this for my boyfriend because this is the moisturizer he uses. I had him try it once and he's been hooked on it ever since, and this is what he uses when he's out of the shower. So guys, if you need a moisturizer, it's not like a lotion, it's literally water. I think my dog's hitting the door. Okay, so I got 2 first aid beauty things, of course. So the first thing I got was the Ultra Repair Cream Hydration. I got it in the tube. Let's see, will you focus? I got it in the tube. This is the 8 ounces tube. I had it in like the little jar that looks like this. That's not it. That looks like that, but like a little bit smaller. And I started using it a lot, and I ran out of it quick because it's a little jar, so I got the big tub. It helps me with my eczema when I get it, which is very nice. It also helps me with just keeping my skin really hydrated in the winter. If I keep looking up, it's because I'm looking in the viewfinder, because that's what I have to like kind of look at to make sure that I'm in the screen. Next thing from First Aid Beauty I got is the facial radiance pads. I use these all the time. They're literally, they're just face pads, and they're alcohol free, which is amazing. They tone and they brighten, and they're safe for sensitive skin, which is what I have, so it really works well. I got this little Origins thing. It's like the Clear Pores Hydrate and Glow from Origins. It's this like 3 little pack. This is the Clear Improvement. This is the charcoal mask, which I use and I love. This is the Drink Up Intensity, I think. And this is an overnight mask to quench skin's thirst. This one is the Original Skin. This is retexturizing mask with rose clay. I really wanted to try those, and I saw they were in a little set. Could never find them in Sephora, so like I ordered this online and I got that. I remember the VIB Rouge sale. If you were Rouge members, you get 20% off. So that was like the time to get your skincare stuff. This was all not purchased in the same order because that would have been a lot of money. This was all like broken down because I literally had it for a week. Alright, I got 2 Glam Glow products, which I'm so excited about. I have the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment and Mask. I had this way before the sale, but I ran out of it. I ran out of my first one, and then I also had to throw away my other one because it literally dried up. I must have not sealed it right away, but it dried up, so I had to buy another one, and I wanted to get it before winter because this is when winter time is when I do masks like 24/7 all the time. Next, I got the Glam Glow Instant Mud 60-second Pore Refining Treatment. That is literally a mouthful. The yellow one, and this one's actually really cool because it's purple. It's only for 60 seconds. I'm used to like, this mask is for like 25 minutes, I think. Or at least 20 minutes. I usually go a little bit longer than just 20 minutes because why not? But this is what this looks like. I think it's so cool, and I love it. I love the packaging. It made me really excited about it. And this is what it says when you open it up. I just think it's cute. Glam Glow just has amazing packaging. Makes it worth the price of Glam Glow. And then lastly, I wanted to try this so bad, so I got it. It's from Taja, so you can see why I got it in the 20% off sale. This is the Indigo Cream. This is brand new. This is Soothing Skin Protectant with colloidal. Don't know if I'm saying that right. Oatmeal. Oh, if I'm saying something wrong, do not like kill me in the comments or anywhere because everyone says things wrong. I'm human. Let me live, okay? Okay. So you open this up, and it says on here, beautiful faces and beautiful futures. Your purchases supports girls' education, which I didn't even know that, so that's like really cool. And then you open up this. This is what comes in. You gotta take it out. It's got this, and it's the little message. It says, telling me how a girl was traveling to Japan. Well, the founder of Taja traveled to Japan to like figure all this out. And it says, P.S. with every purchase you make, you help brighten the future of a girl in a developing country. One full-size skincare purchase equals, excuse me, 1 day of school. Taja is a proud partner with Room to Read to make this change possible. Oh, and then it tells you how to use it. It says, to use massage. See how when I said Invisalign, I can't really say a lot of things, so. A pearl-sized amount of cream onto face, neck, and décolleté. So, right here. In upward strokes, use daily, morning, and night. Look at this packaging. It's literally, I love Taja's packaging. You literally get a little scooper. My mouth is so dry. Get a little scooper. I'm actually gonna open it up for you guys. Okay, I have opened this one. I haven't used it yet, but I wanted to see what it would look like. It smells like oatmeal. It has oatmeal in it, so I guess this is what it looks like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm literally just looking at the people that are in the park that's behind my house. Oh, I'm literally so excited to use this. This is supposed to be for sensitive skin and people who get really dry skin. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna try all this stuff out. I'm gonna try all these products out. All of them I know I'm gonna love. And I'm gonna let you know how everything goes. But those are all the products that I bought in the VIB Rouge sale. I wanted to post this video for my next video. My content's gonna like just change a lot. I'm thinking about doing like some makeup things on here, but like mostly hauls. And then I'm also thinking of doing like, if I want to do tutorials, like putting them on Instagram. Let me know down below if you have any suggestions for what you'd want me to do on there, like any type of looks. Anything will help. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, click the notification bell so you know when I upload, because that'd be very nice. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which could be anything, a vlog. I don't know. It could be anything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.